Hey guys, how's it going? Today I will be showing you how to download a local AI model into your computer in just 2 minutes. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, just type download or LLaMA, click on the operating system you're using, and download and install it. I already have it downloaded, so I won't be doing that again. Alright, so after downloading and installing it, you have to run it. Make sure it's running in the background. So go to your taskbar, click on the upper arrow, and if you see this llama, it means it's running fine. Then open your terminal. For Windows, we're gonna be using PowerShell, and type this command. So as you can see, for this video, we're gonna be using LLaMA 3.1. There is so many models to choose from, but this one is like not that heavy, so most gaming computers, they can run it fine. Some models, they need like 10 RTX 5090s to run it, and I assume you don't have that yet. As you can see, it's only about 5 GB. Some models, they can be up to like 700 GB. Alright, we're almost done. Alright, it's finally downloaded. So let's make sure it's running fine. Do you see how fast it is? This is literally one of the benefits of having an AI that running locally at your computer. Because right now you're not limited to ChatGPT or cloud. You're literally just limited to how fast your PC is. So to run it again, you just have to open the terminal, the same thing as before, and type the same command. Don't worry, this command won't be downloading it again. Since you already have it downloaded, then this will just run it normally. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment below. I barely have any viewers yet, so I won't be able to answer all of them. Peace.